In this video, we are going to take a look at this vintage turntable. High Fidelity International. This is the Philips 242 electronic turntable from 1977. It has got two speeds, 33 and 45, a start and a stop button, and an on-off button. And that is the Hi-Fi 390 cartridge. This is an aluminum platter. So this is a belt-driven mechanism. This is made of plastic. This is a brass pulley. And this platter is made of aluminium, as you can see. Now we will take a look inside this record player. The cover is made of plastic. This is a very thin plastic. And it is held on to the plinth with the help of these screws. Now we'll open the screws and we'll take a look inside. This is the mains transformer. This is the electronic circuit for controlling the speed of the DC motor. The DC motor is housed in this plastic box. So this is the DC motor, and more pulleys are inside this. This is the brass pulley, and the mechanism is differential to increase the torque. So for increasing the torque of this system, we are using this record player has a differential pulley mechanism. We have disassembled the turntable. As you can see, the plinth is here and veneer is lost at a couple of places, so we have to repair those. And then there is lot of rust on the chassis, so these rust are to be removed. The rubber grommets have all melted, so you will replace the rubber grommets. The electronics is okay on this, nothing needs to be done with the electronics. Rubber belts are also okay, so we will not replace the belts. So that's all in this video. Please join me in my next video when the restoration is complete and I will show you how this turned up. Please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon for updates. Thank you.